Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel. Today's new word is thesaurus. The meaning of the word thesaurus is a book containing lists of words which have the same, similar or a related meaning. The word thesaurus is an incredibly useful word that can revolutionize the way you communicate. In this video, you'll learn the meaning and pronunciation of thesaurus, how it can enhance your vocabulary, examples and practical usage, fun facts and tips on using a thesaurus effectively. Pronunciation of the word thesaurus is Thesaurus. Etymology. The word thesaurus comes from Greek meaning treasury or storehouse of knowledge. First introduced in modern usage by Peter Mark Roget in 1852 with Roget's Thesaurus. Why is a thesaurus important? Enhances vocabulary, helps you find alternative words to avoid repetition, improves writing and speaking skills, makes your language more expressive and engaging. Boosts creativity, writers, poets, and content creators use it to find the perfect words. Helps in competitive exams, essential for IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, and UPSC aspirants. Here are some examples of the word thesaurus in sentences. Everyday use. I used a thesaurus to find a better word for beautiful in my essay. If you don't want to repeat the same words, a thesaurus is your best friend. Academic and writing context. Before submitting my article, I checked the thesaurus to replace common words with more sophisticated synonyms. A good writer always keeps a thesaurus handy to make their writing more engaging. Professional and workplace use. During my presentation, I used a thesaurus to find more impactful words to express my ideas clearly. Our content team relies on an online thesaurus to make sure our articles are diverse and compelling. Educational and learning context. My English teacher encouraged us to use a thesaurus to expand our vocabulary. To improve my vocabulary for competitive exams, I practice using a thesaurus every day. Tips for using a thesaurus effectively. Understand context. Not all synonyms fit every situation. Learn new words in sentences, helps retention. Don't overuse fancy words, keep it natural. Fun facts about the thesaurus. The first English thesaurus was published in 1852 by Peter Mark Roget and is still one of the most widely used books today. The word thesaurus originally meant a storehouse or treasure chest. Now that you know what a thesaurus is and how to use it, try incorporating it into your daily conversations and writing. Drop a comment below using a new word you found in a thesaurus. Now, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification of a new video.